Once you've marked your ceiling directly above the brackets, move the truck out of the way. You'll need to determine the direction of the joists in your ceiling, as the SmartTrack must be mounted perpendicular to the joists. Your kit includes 4 pieces of SmartTrack. Each piece of SmartTrack must be installed with 2 lag bolts. You will attach a power adapter, MyLifter, and carabiner to each SmartTrack. The bolts must be on the outside ends of the SmartTrack. Consider this as you install your SmartTrack. Use your stud sensor and find the nearest joist on either side of the mark you have made. Use the included drill bit and drill a hole in the first joist. Using the first lag bolt, install one end of the SmartTrack and use that end as a pivot point to position the SmartTrack and drill the hole in the second joist. Then install the second lag bolt. Use a ratchet as a drill might strip the hole. Repeat this process for the other 3 SmartTracks. Find the joist, drill one hole, screw in lag bolt, drill second hole, secure both lag bolts. End of first video. It's probably the end of 2 videos.